fun video today. I have my husband Todd here, who he's only made like one appearance in these videos, but today it is the battle of the sexes. We are going to each share 5 things that the opposite sex does that just drives us bonkers. And not necessarily like what he does, but what
or what she does.
What I do. But like what like him and all his boys do. Okay, and then we're gonna end it by just saying some things that we really love that you do. And this is all like fashion, style related. We're not getting like really personal with like bad habits here. This is fashion and style related. So I'm gonna go first. I've made a list.
I don't know the list.
No, he doesn't know the list. I don't know, we have not talked about this. I'm interested to see what kind of rings true with you.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. All right, I have a list here. Yeah. The number one thing that drives me nuts when I see a guy doing this is like the loose baggy jeans. You know, like, and loose baggy jeans with like tennis shoes. Ugh, I cannot handle it. What are your thoughts on this?
I concur, 100%.
He concur. He doesn't do that. Like a nice skinny denim and some like Air Force Ones, like that's cool. But none of this loose jean with like white.
Asics with the green, I just mowed my lawn
Yeah.
shoes.
Some dad shoes. Yuck, that is my number one.
Yeah.
Cannot
That's a
happen.
bad one.
We both agree. All right, my number 2. I was gonna say mustaches, but I feel like I can't. Well, I feel like it goes beyond mustaches, and that is just like unkept facial hair. So, you know, like when the beards get really low, but like I like a long, cool beard, but if it's not cool, then it's too
Patchy
long.
or...
Patchy. You can't grow a beard.
No.
And you don't try.
This has nothing to do with me.
And it has nothing to do with him, but he doesn't try. So it's just like the unkept, like I just want like a beautiful kept face. If you're gonna do a mustache, like rock it, but like keep it kept.
I concur.
This
Once
is going
again,
well.
It's too easy.
The third thing that I cannot handle that a man does, and you do not do this, but a lot of men do, are socks with sandals. That just looks like a vacationing dad mode.
Do that? I feel like that's very, I don't know, 90s.
I've seen it enough to put
really?
it on the list. I think you've got 2 options. No socks with sandals, or better yet, just no sandals. I don't want to see men's feet. I remember once when we were in New York, we were at a splash pad with the kids down in Tribeca, like a very like nice splash pad where nicer people may go. And there was, I will not say who it was, but an actor and his wife who was there. I binged on his show all through college, and he was wearing flip-flops, which makes sense because we're at a splash pad, but his feet were disgusting.
You shouldn't be looking at his feet.
I don't know why, but it was like long toenails, like just
Gross.
not good. Not good. Okay, so we concur.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'll wear sandals in the summer.
But you have better feet than I do. You've got pretty feet. He's got pretty feet.
But I understand they're not fashionable.
Yeah, they're not fashionable.
I'll do it around the yard or around the house.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll do it more than that, but it's just me being lazy.
Yeah, but you don't do socks with sandals.
Never. No.
Never.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I agree. This next one is one that you might also say is dated, which it totally is, and you would never do this, but it is a number of shorts. There's 3 shorts on men that I cannot stand.
Can I guess?
Yeah.
Cargo.
Ding ding.
Camo.
No, but also a ding ding. That's usually camo cargo together.
Basketball.
Yes! Basketball shorts with like the thick silky band at the bottom.
Ooh, I don't know. I would say shorts that are too short, but you probably wouldn't agree
no,
with that.
I'm okay with that.
Yeah, I don't know. What's the third?
Jorts. Jeans and shorts. Jorts. No man should ever wear jorts. Okay, but hold on. I'm already thinking about like an okay kind of jort, and that's like a tighter, maybe like with a little roll, like a cute jorts. But I'm talking.
Wait, so like jean
shorts.
Oh,
but those
I don't agree with that though.
But those usually, I just like have it in my mind, also wide and way too long. Like old
I mean,
jorts.
people like nowadays, people like guys do that. I have a pair too. Like,
Well, I know.
They're tighter and
Yeah, and those are like
shorter.
Those are cute.
When you said jorts, first time I've ever said that word, and hopefully the last. I thought you were talking about the Euro pants that like they hit between the knee, like somewhere in mid shin.
Also not a good short.
They're just, those are bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought you were talking about. But I think there's room in a wardrobe for some jean shorts.
Well, we just won't call those jorts because I feel like
Please
jorts
don't.
in my mind mean something totally different than those like cooler, trimmer jean shorts.
Okay.
Agree. The fifth thing that I hate to see men wearing it, I just cringe. That is loud t-shirts with graphics and flames and stupid slogans that are only funny to you, not to you, to you, the general man, and camo, just like,
It just sounds like a whole category of t-shirts that you've probably owned for 5 too many years that you just need to get rid of and buy some new t-shirts.
Yes.
If you're having a hard
Yes.
time, maybe just get plain solid colored t-shirts.
I think that's a great option. You're so helpful. All right, so those are my 5. I am very eager to hear what you've come up with over the last couple weeks.
So this definitely isn't fair because I think every member of your audience is going to agree with everything you say and probably with nothing that I say. So take it for what it's worth. So the first one is every type of hat that a woman will wear, except for a baseball cap. Like, I'm a big fan of the baseball cap with the ponytail. I love that look. But you think of any other type of hat, doesn't matter, I don't like it.
My wide brim hats that I have lining our closet?
No.
That's only-
The page hats.
What about like a cute beanie?
Oh, that's different. I like that.
That's a hat.
Eh.
That I wear on the daily.
Yeah, I like those.
Okay.
So, except for those two, the baseball cap and the beanie.
Well, I can agree with you on the page hats. That is pretty bad. I mean, that was in like my recent video of things I will never ever buy again.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't like the wide brim either.
It's the wide brim. Oh boy. Well, we're gonna agree to disagree on that one. Ladies,
On all of them, we're going to agree to disagree.
what are our thoughts on the wide brim hats? I wanna know. Let us know in the comments. Like, be on my side here. All right.
Jeans, the whole direction that jeans have gone for the last many years, I've very much disliked. Wide leg, any sort of flare, bootleg, anything that's wide about them, I don't like.
Okay.
And I also really don't like high-waisted jeans. And I've polled other guys, and none of us do. So
None of us do.
There's that for you. I know you all love it, which that's great. If you're wearing something you love, that's fantastic. But we don't like it. Just so you know.
I mean,
You probably already do know.
Todd and his friends don't like it. But I will say, I love a wide leg pant. Love it. And I think it is very flattering on women. But I don't think I've ever met a man who likes wide leg pants. So that's not a surprise to me. I will still keep wearing wide leg pants.
Yeah. So is that 2, the high waist and the wide leg?
What else you got on your list?
All right. I don't know what they're called. They might have a name. The shapeless, flowy dresses. Do they have? What are they?
Shapeless flowy dress. Yeah, there are comfortable dresses that are lining my closet.
Yeah, I don't like those either.
Yeah. I can see that, but ladies, we like to wear them. I totally think a fit and flare dress is more flattering, but in the hot summer, I just want to wear a shapeless loose dress where it feels like I have nothing on. Yeah, no, I get it. Yeah.
Okay. So this is one that I like, but I think it's being overused. So fitness wear, like huge fan, right? Of course.
Yeah.
But I think the pendulum has swung too far in that it's just worn all the time, everywhere, and so my problem is that, you know, I like when people dress up or dress appropriately, and you know, I think everyone's just kind of always wearing fitness wear.
Yeah.
So I just think the pendulum has swung too far, but I still love it. It's still a trend that I really like.
No, I agree. I totally agree that you'll see people wearing it whether they've worked out or not. Like that's just their go-to.
Yeah.
I try not to do that, Todd. Right?
Yeah, sure.
I make an effort to get out of my clothes and out of like my fitness wear and into something decent. Todd?
Yeah. What do you want
I'm
from
wanting
me?
you to agree then that
Well,
I don't,
you know, I don't keep inventory of it, so.
Oh my gosh. Yes, I will say though that this year has been a different year.
I agree with that.
And women are loving it.
Platform shoes.
Why?
I just think they're silly. I just think they are silly looking. Like, so I don't know if I'm defining it the same way you would, but
yeah, I want
any shoe that you have a heel that's
wait. A heel or like
sole,
a
sole that's
okay.
kind of ultra thick. Mm-hmm. I just don't like the look. I think I'm thinking more like the sneakers, like the platform sneakers
that I just wore last week.
See, I didn't notice. Maybe it's a good thing. Maybe I don't.
No, yeah.
Yeah, I don't like the high platform sneakers.
Just like clownish?
Yeah, I think they're just a little goofy looking.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm happy we had this chat. Do you have anything else to share?
That's all the clothing. Clothing ones.
So you're done. Or did you have?
Well, you want me to keep going?
I don't know.
Okay, the last one.
Okay.
The last one is not clothes, but you mentioned just like things that women do.
Yeah.
The face creams and the face treatments, it's out of control.
Oh my word.
If you were to collect and put in a pile all of the face things that we have, it's outrageous.
Yeah, there's a lot.
I don't know. I just think it's snake oil. I think
it's not.
I think
snake
you're
oil.
being scammed.
No, we are not. I think that some of them are snake oil. I do. But I would rather pay up now for the preventative, the sunscreens, all them serums.
All of them. All the serums.
Versus, ladies, later on having to fix our skin with lots of expensive treatments and fillers and other things. We're being preventative. We're saving money here.
I don't buy it.
Well,
that's my last one.
That was a good list.
Yeah.
All right, so after that, I mean, who else was offended? Just kidding, I'm not offended, but like, it's fine. It's fine.
Of course it's fine.
I did not get personal.
No, me neither. I didn't.
Okay, all right, so now we're gonna quickly go over a couple things that we love that the opposite sex does, that we like. Yeah.
Who's first?
Maybe we can just like trade off. Do you have one right now?
Sure.
Okay.
I think I just like if a woman understands their body shape and knows how to dress accordingly, like major props. I think that's fantastic, and it really shows, right? If you know what types of shapes of clothes to wear and what colors look best on you, things like that. I think it really shows and looks great. Where on the other hand, if it's looks horrible if somebody doesn't understand their shape and when things that don't flatter them and they wear that, it's just kind of cringeworthy.
I agree.
Yeah.
That was like a very educated answer. Have you been watching my videos?
I have to hear all of them being made, so yes, I guess so.
I'm very impressed. Okay, so I kind of have two. I want a man, I mean, I already have this. Are we in front of a therapist? I love it when men are confident, and they could be overweight, they could be goofy looking, but if they are like confident in their looks and in their personality, like instantly they go from like a 3 to an 8.
Yeah.
You know? Like I feel like confidence has so much to do with it. And then the second thing is I just like someone who knows how to dress.
Oh, that doesn't even mean anything. Dress like well, like
yeah.
high end.
No, doesn't even have
Like
to be.
the clothes fit well.
Yes.
Because you can buy inexpensive clothes that fit really well.
Absolutely.
And expensive clothes that don't fit well.
Yeah.
So
I want clothes that fit you so well. Like what you're saying. It has nothing to do with the cost of them or the label. I just love it when men know how to dress themselves in like a fashionable manner. Right?
I think one of the biggest things that I've learned being married to you is I think it's really hard to find clothes and to wear clothes that like fit properly.
Yeah.
It's taken me years to be able to find like pants that fit me right.
True. But now that you found them, like you know, like Bonobos is your brand. Because
I finally like found my fit. I haven't worn a belt in probably a year.
True.
Which is great, like because my pants fit. It took me many years to be able to kind of figure out my fit. So
that's so true.
Yeah.
So if people don't know their fit, then hire a stylist.
This stylist.
I mean, if you're in the area. If you're not, I can't help you.
Or if you have a computer.
All right, babe. That was fun.
Very fun.
Oh, who liked having Todd on here? I love it. Okay, so those are our battle of the sexes, things that we don't want to see the opposite sex doing. If your loved one is doing these things and you agree with us, maybe it's time for an intervention. I don't know. Or you know what? Or if in my case, you're just gonna keep doing them, and it's fine, right?
Yeah, you know, it's fine. Just,
okay.
It's fine.
All right, guys, stay tuned for my next video. Bye, y'all.